Hi class! Today we are making a keto-friendly version of Taiwanese Three Cup Chicken. It is a popular Taiwanese dish often found in pubs, beer houses, or seafood fast-fried street vendors. It's super easy and fast to make, and this recipe totals to only about 6 grams of net carb. Here are the ingredients. It is called 3 cup chicken because of 3 key ingredients: soy sauce, rice wine, and sesame oil. We will need equal parts of those 3 to create the sauce. Do not substitute any of those key ingredients. First, slice some ginger. If you're not a big ginger fan, you can just use 1 to 2 slices. Chop up 1 red chili pepper. If you want this dish to be mild, then you can omit the red pepper. Prepare some chopped sections of green onions and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, along with the ginger and chili pepper onto 1 plate. Roughly chop up some fresh basil. Cut half a pound of boneless, skinless chicken thigh into small 2-inch chunks. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, and 2 teaspoons of monkfruit sweetener or any preferred sweeteners. If you're not on a keto or low-carb diet, you can simply use sugar. Stir to combine. In a wok on medium-high heat, drizzle a teaspoon of sesame oil. Then add some cooking oil. Add the ginger slices and fry to release its aromas. Then add the red chili pepper, green onions, and garlic. Now add the chicken. Add the sauce we prepared earlier. Add half a teaspoon of white pepper. Add half a cup of water and incorporate with the sauce. Cover and simmer for 15 seconds. Open the lid and add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Keep cooking until the water has been reduced and the chicken is coated with a nice caramelized glaze. Remove wok from the fire. We will be finishing up in a clay pot. Heat a clay pot on medium heat. Add half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Pour our cooked chicken into the clay pot. Now add the fresh basil and close the lid. Add a splash of rice wine. I am pouring it directly over the lid so it can trickle down into the pot without opening the lid. After simmering for a few seconds, open the lid and stir in the basil so it is mixed in with the rest of the ingredients. Close the lid back up and remove from the heat. We'll want to serve this while it's piping hot. The bold, savory flavor of this dish usually calls to pair with white rice. For keto or low-carb diets, it's best to pair with some cauliflower rice, or you can also do a lettuce wrap. Enjoy this delicious dish guilt-free. The macros for this dish is 6 grams of net carb with 24 grams of fat and 38 grams of protein. If you like this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe.